mask on when you're doing that.
Why?
Well, because all the metal shards floating in the air.
What's the point going to a car like that if you're just going to drive it home?
Yeah.
And it's nice to see it. Sit in front, split.
Smoking.
How many times have I told you about burping and farting when I'm filming?
Oh no, actually. Kelly, do you use bottled water for the kettle?
Just that little curly bit makes all the difference. Kelvin,
Hey?
mask on when you're doing that.
Why?
Well, because all the metal shards floating in the air.
Download the free NHS Quit Smoking app today. Start your adventure. The new Peter Cooper Jeep dealership, now open in Horsham. From the iconic Jeep Wrangler to the all-new Jeep Avenger, experience the versatility, innovation and adventure of Jeep. New and used Jeep sales, servicing and MOTs, all under one roof. At Peter Cooper Jeep on Hanghouse Road, Forest Lane, Horsham. Jeep Horsham, part of the Peter Cooper Motor Group.
Good. They've just gone to the tip. They won't be that long.
What are you doing today?
I am seam sealing this, but trying not to stick my fucking phone in the wet stuff.
What seam seal?
Where we've welded stuff in, stinks like
It
absolutely.
smells really, really strong, but I actually really like it.
You can sit in it if you want.
Oh, you've got a little jumping spider on the bonnet.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't jump in my face.
I swear I'm going to be high as a kite when I finish this.
Ashley's car's
Yeah, they've just been tidying everything up and then they decided to go and get rid of the rubbish today.
Okay.
So what have you been up to?
What have I been up to?
Anything exciting?
Not a lot. I've just been working loads because I'm paying for the wrapping course, which I've got at the end of the month.
Ooh. You excited?
I'm well excited. Ever since you mentioned it, I could not stop thinking about it. And my friend's auntie and uncle said that I could use their garage to start it. And then my other friend's dad is quite wealthy, and he said that he would want me to wrap his truck. So that's already a start.
That's good.
That is so good.